Good evening, everybody. It is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on a Saturday. It is April 9th, and we are breaking. And we were breaking. Oh, sorry. Fucking kid. We were breaking Schwartz full-size bats. And I'm pretty much going to guess about 50-50 whether we get a Todd Hollandsworth out of this with the way we've been going. But we've already pulled them once on the bat, and I'm just praying we don't get him again, man. Nothing against you, Mr. Hollandsworth, but give me a damn break. So we did random team sales for this $2-er. On the right, we have already randomized the team's customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them a chance to trade, but nobody's really trading much tonight, so here we go. Let's start with the first bat here, folks. Oh, well, you relax. Sort of a cool one there, I guess, guys. Joe Carter, two-time World Series champ. Yes, sir, folks. Mr. Joe Carter. Well, again, guys, maybe not a huge value bet, but at least a fairly likable player for guys there. Joe, let me see where that goes to, guys, real quick. That's going to be a Toronto hit, showing 7 Toronto, 6 in Cleveland, guys. So, Toronto. Oh, well, Crowley going to take home the Joe Carter. And again, at least a likable player there, Crowley. May not be a monster hit, but... fucker. Well, I wish that was on camera because I just whacked myself ahead in the fucking bed. Son of a bitch. If that was on camera, that would have been pretty funny. What team did he win the World Series with, guys? Yeah, because it had a 2-time World Series on it. Did he win one with each team there or something? If it's 1-1, then it goes to Toronto. God damn it, I can't believe I just whacked myself ahead with the fucking bat there, man. Alright, guys, yep, that's going to Crowley there. Alright, box number 2. Alright, both Toronto yet. Alright, guys. Well, I'm assuming this is going to be our Hollingsworth. Alright. Oh, no, it's not. Well, actually, guys, that wasn't a bad 2-box, so those are probably close to the best hits we've gotten out of these, guys. Little hard to see there, but I think most of us know who that Sig is. That is going to be a White Sox hit with Mr. Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt, folks. Bam. Well, again, guys, not monster bats as far as value goes, but two very likable players, I guess. I'd definitely say as far as the Schwartz go, that was probably our best of the bat breaks. Alright, White Sox, White Sox, White Sox. That is going to be a Buckeye hit. Congratulations, Mr. Buckeye there. Buckeye stepping back into the room. Taking home the Big Hurt bat. Click the follow and subscribe buttons, folks. Join us over at Bobby Two Pops Breaks, 8 p.m. Central. If you're not in the Facebook group, please join that. Y'all have a very good night.